Hey guys, it's me. I was just tuning in to share with you guys some cool things I got today for the baby, or for mommy I should say, until the baby's here. So I got the fetal doppler, came in the mail today. I ordered it from fetaldoppler.net, and it's really small. It's called a pocket doppler. So here's a doppler. I got a pink one, that's my favorite color. And it has a built-in probe, which is pretty cool. So you just put this on to your belly, and it detects the heartbeat. So that's pretty cool. And what's even more cool is it comes with the jelly to spread on your stomach. It comes with a pair of earphones, an aux cord, and the pamphlet, of course. Now on the side here, you have two inserts for earphones, so you can listen to it, your children, your husband can listen to it at the same time, or you can plug in the aux cord to your laptop and record the sound. So that's pretty cool. And then I got my favorite thing, not more favorite than the Doppler, but a fitness ball. Comes with the pump, and I'm using this for right now during the pregnancy. I'm 15 weeks, so I'm just using it for just exercising, help me do some squats. I've been having some pelvic pressure, so that's pretty cool. It's by Champion. I got this from Target, and it was $17.99, and it is the 75 centimeter ball. So it's pretty big, actually, if you can see. I think Caleb and the boys love it more than me right now, because I pumped it and they're on it. So it's pretty cool. But so here's two things that I got today just to bring us closer to baby. We're due around March 30th, April 3rd, around that time. So it's a long time now. We're only on October 7th, so anything to bring us closer to baby is cool. But tune in, and pretty soon we'll be finding out the gender of the baby, and we'll let you see her stomach pretty soon. In the background you hear classical music because the baby listens to that every night for about 10 minutes, maybe 20, just so me and baby can relax. But yeah, thank you for tuning in. Have a great day.